Hello guys, and welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about businesses that you can do in Africa as a foreigner, even if you are not living in Africa. I've got a lot of questions in my email asking me the kind of business that a foreigner can actually do in Africa, even if they don't live in Africa, right? And in today's video I'm going to be unpacking all of those things. So if you are looking at investing in Africa, because of course we know that Africa is the next big thing that is happening to the world right now. So if you are looking at investing in Africa, then these are some of the businesses that you should look at. Okay, you guys. So before I dive right into the video, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel. In this channel, I talk about everything about investment, doing business, living in Africa, things to know about Africa, traveling to Africa, and all of those good stuff. And if you have questions about that, or you want me to make any video relating to that for you, please let me know also in the comment section. Okay, you guys, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and let's quickly dive right into the video. So I have my notes here that I've written some of the things I'm going to be talking about. So if you see me looking this way, I'm actually looking at my notes so that I don't leave out any points for you. So first of all, I just want to assume that you've done your research, you've done your background checks, and all of that, because of course if you want to reinvest, or if you want to invest in an African country or in a continent that is different from the continent that you are used to or that you live in, definitely you want to do your background check. Okay, you guys. So in this video I'm just going to assume that you have done your background check, but if you want me to do a video for you talking about the things to look out for when you are trying to invest in Africa, then let me know in the comment section. So I'm just going to quickly start with the kind of businesses that you should look at investing in Africa. So number one is going to be agro exports business. Now you guys, when it comes to agro products, right, a lot of these agro products that are used worldwide are already resident in Africa. They are grown in Africa, and they are produced in Africa. So if you are looking at exports business, this is a beautiful one that you should look out for. Every agro business or agro business generally has profits. Agro business in Africa is something that is very, very profitable if you decide to invest in, and that is because a lot of agri products or a lot of agro products that are used worldwide are actually gotten or produced in Africa. Okay, all you have to do is to partner with a local that knows about or the interior where these agro products are being farmed or are being cultivated or are being produced. Just partner with them, and you can actually export these agro products to places where they are high in demand and where the cost is actually also high, so that you too can actually gain profit from this. But trust me, there are a lot of agro products that you can actually delve in. If you want me to give you some of the list of agro products that you can actually partner with, and with a local in Africa to actually do this business in exporting of agro products, then let me know in the comment section also. Then number two I'm going to talk about is going to be real estate or A&B business. Now with the event of technology and also with the growth in systems that is now working in Africa, you can see that real estate is actually really, really booming. And one of the reasons why I love real estate is because people need places to live. People need shelter to actually live, whether they are living there temporarily or whether they are going to be living there for a very long time. People need shelter to live, and you can actually do this business and make it profitable in a way that you can do it as an A&B business, or you can also do it as just an investment business. If for example there is a local, right, that has an A&B business, you can actually become an investor in that particular A&B business and just be making profit. You don't need to be in that particular African country. You don't need to be where the A&B business is going on, and you don't have to be there generally in Africa for you to be able to make profit or invest in this business. You can also go ahead and buy properties, allow them appreciate, and then sell them off in some period of years, right? And all of these things you can do them without you being in the particular country or African country that you want to do this business. All you have to do is to partner with a local that is really, really trusted, because that was the more reason why I said, of course, you must have done your background check, right? You want to partner with a local that is really, really honest, that is really, really trustworthy, and you are going to definitely see the profits in this business. Because of course, A and B business or real estate business is not one that dies, is not one that is even going to die in the next decade or in the next life. Okay, you guys. So the next one I'm going to talk about here is e-commerce business and dropshipping business. Trust me, you guys, with the event of technology, with the event of online businesses, with the event of, you know, how Africans are really, really pushing themselves forward to actually do better, there is a rise in e-commerce business. And if you invest into it, you are definitely going to be making profit, right? It is something that you don't even also need to be around for in Africa for you to be able to do it, or for you to be able to, you know, make profits out of it. Like I said, you just need to partner with a sincere, trustworthy African local that is going to be here on ground doing all of the work for you. Another one I'm going to talk about is logistics and delivery business. Now, with the event of online businesses, with the event of technology, with the event of business growing up and down, with the event of, you know, people's life, you know, evolving, especially here in Africa, life has actually really, really evolved positively. There is need for logistics and delivery. People don't really go out anymore to get things. Like, people mostly don't go out anymore to get things. People will just sit in their house, or people love to sit in their house and just order whatever they want, and then you see someone brings it to them. So if you can actually, or if you love this kind of business, then you can actually delve into it. Delivery and logistics business, where you can cater for delivery of goods from one point to another, and you can also cater for logistics, right? If you are somebody that is into it, like I said, you don't need to be in Africa for you to be able to do this particular kind of business, right? You just need to partner with an African or a local, right, to do this kind of business. The next one I'm going to talk about is going to be content creation agency. Now, with the event of content creation in Africa, trust me, there are Africans that really want to learn more about content creation. They want to know some of the things that they can do, some of the technologies they can delve in to actually, you know, boost their content creation ideology and to help them better at content creation. So if you can create agencies that manages small startup businesses, or that manage small startup content creators, or that can train people to become content creators in a professional way, giving them certifications and all of that, then this business is actually for you. Because trust me, content creation is going to be around in a long haul. You don't want to miss out on this one. And a lot of people are going to, you know, find the idea interesting, especially if you are a foreigner looking to invest in Africa. A lot of people, you are going to get a lot of people wanting to register in your agencies to learn all of these things, because of course this is the new thing in the world. Like content creation, digital creation, and all of those things are the new things in the world that people are looking to learn. So if you find any of this business helpful, or you want me to do a deep dive into any of this business for you, probably you have questions on how to go about it, or you are looking at partnering with an African in Africa to do a certain business, of course I am here. So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question at all, like I said, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you all in the next one. Bye.